create some problems. So we're going to talk about why. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because 98% of all vitamins sold are made synthetically. 90% of all the ascorbic acid or synthetic version of vitamin C comes from China. And the regulation of what you're getting might not be at the standards that you really need as well, especially since vitamin C is made from GMO corn with other chemicals, other solvents. So the absorption rate or the bioavailability of a synthetic vitamin is lower. And this is why you see the synthetic vitamins in massive amounts, like 11,000% of your RDAs. And so a lot of that's going to be passing out through your urine unless it's fat soluble. And with synthetic vitamins, you don't have all the cofactors that normally come with a vitamin in nature. Vitamins in nature are complexes, and they have a lot of helper molecules. They don't come in this industrial, isolated, fractionated part. They come in this synergistic complexity of a lot of different parts, which includes, like, they might have a trace mineral part of that vitamin. They'll have other vitamins that help the absorption. Now, the other really big problem with the synthetic vitamins is that they have residual traces of some of the solvents, chemical compounds like chloroform, petroleum, acetate, glyphosate, which is an herbicide, and even hexane, which is a solvent. But in nature, you're not going to find that at all. Now, the thing with vitamins is they come in both fat-soluble forms and water-soluble forms. So if you took a high amount of a water-soluble synthetic vitamin, the extra would be eliminated through your kidneys. But if it's a fat-soluble vitamin, it's not going to be eliminated very easily. It's going to get stuck in your fat cells. And this is why there's some pretty major side effects when you take synthetic fat-soluble vitamins. So if a mother is taking synthetic vitamin A, there's a risk for that child of having a birth defect. There's some data on synthetic vitamin E and premature death. And then folic acid, which is different than the natural version, folate, increasing your risk of getting cancer. Then you have vitamin C. Okay, I'm talking about ascorbic acid. There's a study that I'll put down below that shows that it decreases the muscle mitochondria biogenesis. So you're going to make less mitochondria. So you're going to have less training efficiency, more pros when you do the natural whole food concentrates. Now, with synthetic vitamins, they add a lot of additional things in there. They'll add additives, preservatives, flavorings, colors.